In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Power BI reports. A table of contents page is a simple way to help viewers jump to the parts of your report they care about. We'll build it with native features, so it's easy to maintain and looks clean and professional. Start by creating a new page in your report. With that page selected, go to the Insert tab and choose Text Box. This will let you add the title for your table of contents page. Type a clear, concise title, something like Table of Contents, and format it so it stands out. You can adjust font size, color, and alignment in the formatting options. Aim for high contrast and consistent styling to match your report's theme. Next, we'll add the navigation elements. Still on the Insert tab, add a new button and select the blank option. This gives you a flexible button you can style exactly how you want. Place and resize the button on the canvas so it fits your layout. Then, in the visualization pane, enable text for the button so you can label it clearly. For example, with the destination page name. Customize the font, background, and corner radius to make it easy to read and visually consistent. If you prefer icons or subtle color cues, you can incorporate those in the same pane to reinforce the meaning of each button. With the button designed, enable action in the visualization pane. Set the action type to page navigation, then select the destination page you want this button to take the viewer to. This is the key connection that turns a simple button into a navigation link. Now, test your button. In Power BI Desktop, hold the Control key and click the button to simulate how it will behave in the published report. You should jump straight to the selected page. If it doesn't work, double-check that action is enabled, the type is set to page navigation, and the correct destination page is selected. Once it's working, you've created your first link. Repeat these same steps for each page you want to include in your table of contents. To speed things up, you can copy and paste the first button, then just change the text and destination for each copy. Align your buttons neatly so they're easy to scan, and keep the naming consistent with your page titles. And there you go, a clean, clickable table of contents for your Power BI report. That's all you need to create fast, user-friendly navigation that helps viewers find insights quickly.